The popularity of project-based learning, STEM labs, and student competition teams is providing more and more students with opportunities to turn their ideas into reality. Onshape is the perfect tool for all of these environments, allowing students to easily collaborate, explore, and iterate on designs. Considering how their designs will function in the real world is where Onshape simulation comes in. For users on the Onshape education plan, simulation is built right into the assembly interface, making it simple and intuitive to add forces, moments, bearing loads, pressure, acceleration, or even angular velocity. Simply assign materials and apply loads, and Onshape will immediately calculate and display stress, displacement, and safety factor. The calculations are all performed in the cloud, so it's fast, easy, and accurate. Students can use the simulation results to inform design changes, and Onshape will automatically recalculate the results. The simulation panel keeps track of multiple simulations and provides options for display settings, connectivity, and visualization. The panel also includes an option for inertial relief for parts or assemblies that are expected to undergo rigid body motion. In addition to linear static simulations, students can run modal simulations to calculate the vibrational modes of their designs. This is important for designs that will see vibrations or oscillations. With Onshape simulation, students can iterate through ideas and confidently optimize their designs. And because it's Onshape, all of their changes are stored in the versions in history, permanently keeping track of their engineering design process.